I did not do that. No, I didn't even know enough to know that that would be a thing that you could do if you were brave. I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't, because I know now what they would have told me, which was just keep going. Just keep going. You don't have any idea. You don't have anything until you're finished. So just keep going. There's no secret. There's no thing that if only you knew you could be a New York Times bestseller. There's not that. There's not anything like that. There's only hard work and doing the best you can and keep going and trying to get better. And that's not advice that people want to hear, because you know that already. We all know that. It just seems like, wow, there must be something that people know. But there really isn't. It's all about the quality of the book and your own passion and your own obsession, and a little bit of luck and a lot of timing and just sort of right place at the right time. And those things you can't plan for. You just have to be ready for them when they do happen. And nothing's going to happen without your finished manuscript.